Hey guys, it's Scott Tyler. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a review of the AirPods Pros in 2022. So without further ado, let's hop right into the review. So these, ladies and gentlemen, are the AirPods Pros, which released back in October of 2019. These were Apple's first noise cancellation earbuds and were the successor to the AirPods 2, actually. So these retailed for around $220, which is not cheap by no means, but nowadays you can get them on sale for much less. But first of all, let's talk about the case. The case is one of the most important things for wireless earbuds. It looks like dental floss as usual, but this case is still small and compact and can easily fit in your pocket. It has a little light on the outside that indicates the battery charge level, and both earbuds kind of just fit snugly right in there with a magnet. Opening and closing the case is one of the most satisfying things of all time, and I highly recommend it. On average, you'll get around 4.5 hours of music playback time, depending on how much you use ANC. So that's a good benchmark estimate just on average. And the case is said to give you around 24 hours of additional listening time. Here's a quick demo for how easy it is to pair AirPods Pros to your iPhone. Simply open the case, it'll pop up using Apple's nice W1 chip, and you're good to go. So I love tweaking audio settings on my device, and sadly with Apple software, they don't allow you to tweak too much. Diving in right here into the settings we have transparency mode and active noise cancellation mode. The other settings that they allow you to tweak are the stereo settings. You can just turn it off, have it fixed, or you can also have this like 3D audio effect where it'll sense where your head is located and adjust the audio accordingly, which is kind of cool. So here's a quick demo of me doing all the hands-free adjustments. Squeeze once to play pause, squeeze twice to skip track, and squeeze 3 times to go to the previous track. And also hold down to turn ambient sound on or off, and also ANC. Overall fit in the ear is really solid in my opinion. I didn't have any issues in terms of discomfort, listened to music for a while, and I thought they were overall pleasant experience. I'm also really happy with the Pro model. They actually shortened the stem because on the standard model, the stem was way too long and looked weird. Okay, so how is the audio quality on the AirPods Pros? That's the most important part of any earbud review. How do they actually sound and how do they stack up to the expensive competition out there? So in my opinion, the audio quality is fantastic. It's on par with the Galaxy Buds Pros as well as the Galaxy Buds Plus, which are some of my favorite workout earbuds, minus the wingtip in my opinion. If these had a wingtip, or if Apple produced earbuds with a wingtip targeted at athletes, I think they would sell a ton. But I like the silicone tips on these things. I think the audio quality is super crystal clear. Decent bass in my opinion also. I didn't expect Apple to put so much bass in their earbuds, but they did anyway. And to top it all off, we have ANC. This is hands down the best ANC on any wireless earbuds on the market. I have tested a lot of ANC earbuds. Nothing can compete with these. When I say it blocks out audio from your environment, it blocks out literally everything. It makes it, and it does it like really well too. It doesn't have any hissing sounds or anything like that. It's super, super clear. So I'm going to leave a link down to these earbuds on Amazon if you guys want to go pick them up. By no means are they cheap, but you're going to pay a premium price because they are premium earbuds. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, go for it. It's worth it. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you appreciated and enjoyed this review of the AirPods Pros. More reviews, more tech stuff coming in the future. I appreciate all you guys who watch this channel. Shout out to you guys. Leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out, everyone.